When we think of American pickup trucks, we often picture the iconic Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado, or Dodge Ram. But did you know that over the years, there have been some rare and unique pickups that most people have never heard of? Today, we're taking you through 10 rare American pickup trucks that you absolutely should know about. These trucks are the hidden gems of American automotive history, and trust us, they're worth the spotlight. First up, we have the 1947 Studebaker M-Series. This truck was ahead of its time with its sleek design, offering a smooth ride that outshone many of its contemporaries. While Studebaker's M-Series didn't enjoy long-term success, it remains one of the most sought-after vintage trucks today. Known for its powerful six-cylinder engine and unique looks, it's a truck that stands out in any collection. Next on our list is the 1957 Dodge Power Wagon M43. Originally a military vehicle, this rugged pickup was built for tough terrain and heavy-duty use. With its 230 cubic inch flathead 6 engine, the M43 could haul just about anything. Though its military roots made it somewhat scarce in the civilian market, it's now a collector's dream, known for its durability and classic design. The 1961 Chevrolet C10 Fleetside is next. The C10 was a groundbreaking truck with its new stylish design, moving away from the traditional workhorse look to something more sleek and modern. With a powerful V8 engine and a much improved suspension, it offered both style and comfort, making it perfect for both work and play. This beauty is rare today, especially in good condition, but if you find one, you've stumbled upon a real treasure. The 1971 Ford Ranchero GT makes its way onto our list. Unlike any other pickup, the Ranchero GT combined a muscle car's speed with the utility of a truck. Its V8 engine and performance upgrades made it a fun ride for those who wanted power on the road and a functional bed for hauling. Sadly, this powerful hybrid of muscle and utility was discontinued, making it a rare find today. Now, let's talk about the 1994 GMC Syclone, a true sleeper in the world of American trucks. This compact pickup was powered by a turbocharged 4.3-liter V6 engine that pushed out an astonishing 280 horsepower. It was fast, really fast. In fact, it could outrun most sports cars of its time. Despite its performance credentials, only about 3,000 units were made, making it one of the rarest pickups of the 90s. If you're looking for something truly different, the 1965 Dodge A100 pickup is definitely worth your attention. This small, compact pickup was designed for city driving and light hauling, but it stood out with its unusual cab-over-engine design. It was a quirky, functional truck that never quite caught on with the masses, but it remains a rare collector's item today due to its distinctive look. The 1968 to 1970 Mercury M100 may be one of the most elusive pickups from the Ford family. It was Mercury's version of the Ford F-100, but with unique styling touches, including a distinct grille and trim. Produced for just a few years, the M100 didn't sell as well as its Ford counterpart, making it incredibly rare today. The 1950 International Harvester L110 is a vintage workhorse that's often overlooked. With a strong and reliable engine, this truck was a favorite for farmers and businesses back in the day. However, its rarity today is due to its limited production and the fact that it wasn't marketed to the mass market. It's a true hidden gem in the classic truck world. Next up, the 1955 Chevrolet Cameo Carrier. This pickup was unlike anything else at the time, with its smooth, stylish design and premium features. Chevrolet created the Cameo Carrier as a luxury pickup, offering upscale finishes that were unheard of in a truck. Only a limited number were produced, making it an incredibly rare find today. These 10 rare American pickup trucks might not be on every road today, but they sure leave a lasting impression. If you're a fan of classic trucks or just love rare automotive finds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Who knows, you might just spot one of these beauties on the road one day.